I will blow your mind.
Which is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis involves either you are testing for a cations or you are testing for anions. And majorly we have 8 cations that we test for. But in this video, I will be showing us what we are expected to do when you are forming your table. When you are making your tables, automatically you have your test column, you have your observation column, and then you have your inference. Test, observations, and inference. Sample C now. Sample C plus water. Put sample C into the test tube. Add water. And by the time you add water, you see there is some precipitate, something settle down at the bottom of the test tube as though you are having a chalk inside water. Okay, your observation should be C partially dissolves in water. That's the observation. That's what you observe. Now your inference will be C is a mixture of soluble and insoluble salts. C is a mixture of soluble and insoluble salt. So if you just say C, you add water to sample C, every test that follows will be C aqueous. If you do not put C aqueous in the test box after you have added water in the first place, it will be just 1 mark. 1 mark will be removed from your score. So when you have is how to write observation. How do you write observation? Most especially when you are testing for cations and when you are testing for a gas. Okay, let's take for instance, if you are testing for zinc or when you are testing for aluminium, 2 of them give a white gelatinous. Because the word gelatinous is a key. If you do not put the gelatinous under your observation, you will miss everything in that box. And in that box alone, you should have. So when you are testing for aluminium or when you are testing for zinc, in your observation you should have a white gelatinous precipitate. A white gelatinous precipitate. And anytime you mention the word gelatinous precipitate in your inference, it must either be zinc or aluminium. Whether you are testing with sodium hydroxide or you are testing with aqueous ammonia, under your observation it must be white gelatinous precipitate. So that white gelatinous alone will fetch you 1 mark. And when you observe gas, let's say by the time you add either water or when you add acid to that solution, you see something evolving. You must mention 1 physical properties of that gas and 1 chemical properties of that gas. Most especially when you are testing for either ammonia gas or carbon dioxide gas. If you are testing for carbon dioxide gas now, under your observation you will write effervescence occur of a colorless and odorless gas. Colorless and odorless gas is the physical properties, 1 mark. Which term lime water milky, that's the chemical test. That's the chemical property. Which terms lime water milky, automatically that gas is carbon 4. So under your inference it will be CO2, which is carbon 4 oxide, is the gas. The gas is carbon 4 oxide, 1 mark. And you can only see carbon 4 oxide from CO3 to minus. In the next episode, we are going to see how we actually test for all these ANIONS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so that we can have a robust chemical reaction.